exam is a two-step process. Believe in yourself and back it up with hard work. With these lines, I am missing of class 1 welcome you all at the assembly. Today's theme is exam fever. The prayer helps our mind to be calm so to reset our minds. Let us close our eyes and join our hands for the prayer.
Always bright and beautiful, always perfect and small. Always bright and wonderful, the good God made them all. Always bright and beautiful, always perfect and small. Always bright and wonderful, the good God made them all. Each little flower that blooms, each little bud that sings, they grow in colors and make their tiny wings. Always bright and beautiful, always perfect and small. Always bright and wonderful, the good God made them all. The purple headed mountain, the river running by, the sunset at the morning, and bright lights of the sky. Always bright and beautiful, always perfect and small. Always bright and wonderful, the good God made them all. Always bright and beautiful, always perfect and small.
Now I would like to call Ishika for thought of the day. Good morning everyone. Thought of the day is exams. Exams are not the hurdle but the stepping stones. Use them to achieve success. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you Ishika. Now I would like to call Ayu for word of the day. Good morning, everyone. The word of the day is dread, spelling D-R-E-A-D, meaning to be afraid or worried about something. Thank you and have a fearless day. Thank you, Ayu. Now I would like to call Prisha to deliver for what to a speech. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Our today's topic is exam fever. It means to feel fear and stress before exam. But this fear and stress can be overcome by good habits like doing exercise, eating healthy food, making timetable, taking proper sleep, and with a positive attitude. Because the right attitude can convert a negative stress into a positive one. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Prisha. Now I would like to call Ira for pledge. Everyone take pledge position. India is my country.
Yes, my country,
All Indians
all Indians
are
are my
my brother and sister.
brother and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
and I am
proud of it,
proud of its
rich
rich
and heritage.
and very
I shall always
I shall always
strive to be
strive to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all others
and all others
respect
respect
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge my devotion,
I pledge my devotion,
India's well-being,
India's well-being,
equality alone,
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ira. Now I would like to call. Now I would like to invite our principal ma'am to guide us with her words.